This is my 2017 bike check. I have Odyssey Sean Sexton grips, failure spar bars, division stem, BSD acid forks, crappy Haro pegs, BSD Pro Street hub, Ace to a Stranger crux ring, G Sport plastic hubguard, Salt headset, Colony adjustable headset spacer. These are Tom Dugan Odyssey pedals with bent total hangover cranks, which are dirty. Odyssey LaGuardia guarded sprocket. I've also got the Colt Raster chain, Stolen revolver bottom bracket, Colony rim with a Colony free coaster, 2 Odyssey Pursuit tyres front and back, tennis ball in there, premium seat with a premium seat post that's rusty and dirty, and Colt butter frame. Make sure to like and subscribe.